In this project management training video, you will learn how to modify a material order after it's been interfaced over to the inventory module. To begin, we'll go into the project management module, to the programs folder, and you can either select the PM projects session or you can go directly into the PM material detail session. Once you're in the session, you need to select the correct project that you'd like to make the modification to. And hit OK. Ensure that your project is actually the correct project here at the top of the screen and click on the Interface tab. As you can see on the Interface tab, I have several material orders that I have on this project, and I want to ensure that I'm going to modify the correct material order in the inventory module. I am going to modify material order 303. So from here I need to go now into the inventory module, into the programs folder, into the IN material order entry screen. You want to create a new batch and make sure your batch month is the current month you're in and hit OK. Once your IN material order entry screen opens up, rather than entering a new material order, we want to actually pull in or add our material order in that we would like to modify. So let's go to File and add our material order and enter in 303 and hit Add to Batch. And yes, I want to include all of the items from this material order. It was successfully added, and I do not need to add any further material orders to this batch, so I will hit No. Okay, once my material order is now in the IN material order entry session, I can make the modifications that I need to. By making a modification here, it will update your PM material detail session. If I need to delete one of the line items, which is what I'm going to do for this video, if I'm going to delete one of the line items, I have to delete the line item here and then go back into the PM material detail session, which you will see shortly, and make the change in that session as well. So I'm going to delete my CI9DG from my material order 303. So here you can see my material order is 303. If I'd like to see all the line items on my order, here they are, all 6 of them. The one line I am going to delete off my order is this line item number 1 for my CI9DGs. So I go to the Info tab, and under Action, where it says Change, I change that to the word Delete. Once it says Delete, I'm going to delete the entire part and all the quantity that I have on this order, so the entire 500 units will be deleted from this material order. I hit the Save button and go up to File, and I process my batch. I validate it, preview and print your reports, and then post it. Says my batch was successfully updated. I have now in the inventory module deleted the CI9DG of 500 units on material order 303. To confirm that has actually occurred, we need to go into the project management module, into the programs folder, to the PM material detail session, and as you can see on the non-interface tab, I now have CI9DG that was attached to material order 303, and all 500 units have been pulled back into the non-interface tab. At this point, I can change my quantity. If I needed to update my quantity to 1500, I can do that. Or if it wasn't the quantity I needed to change, but the location, I can change the location. Once you change the location, you will have to make sure you change the material order number as well. So for example, if I change my location, I will also need to delete this material order number and have a new material order issued to me for this part number because it's a different warehouse location. I just hit the undo button because what I'm actually going to do to this line item is delete it completely from my material order. So I can select the line and I can hit the delete key and hit yes that I want to delete that line. So now if I slip over to the interface tab and I look at the material order 303, you will see I now only have 5 line items. Line item on the material order, item number 1, is now missing from this order, and that is exactly what I was trying to do. The other 5 items that are on material order 303 still remain as interfaced and an active material order in the inventory module for you to be able to go in and confirm and relieve inventory to your project. This concludes the training video on how to modify a material order once it's been interfaced over to the inventory module. Thank you.